welcome to 25 Sweetpeas and Happy New Year. It is officially 2020, so I decided it was finally time to share my New Year's Eve manicure that I feel like is perfect for the whole full first week of the year, because I'm totally going to be rocking this whole black and silver and gold theme for a bit because I love it, and I feel like it's a fresh start when you're not really sure what colors to be wearing because it's not Christmas anymore and I can't do Christmas manicures, but I still want to, so I feel like this is a good segue. So we are going to be creating this really fun and easy abstract design that you could do if maybe starting nail art is one of your goals this year. This is a great place to start. So of course you want to make sure you have a clean nail base, you want to have a base coat on, and then you want to put on a nail polish. And we're going to be starting with a black nail polish. Today I'm using the Salon Perfect Oil Slick shade, which Salon Perfect is a brand that can be bought at Walmart, but it's actually owned by China Glaze. So fun fact, and that oil slick, as you could tell, was a one coater, which is really great. It has a great formula, great coverage in just one coat. Then I'm gonna let that dry, and once that is dried, I'm gonna take a gold and kind of just put a little swoop there. I'm using the Heroine NYC shade called Golden Hour, which is a really great golden polish. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm going to do like a dry brush method with a silver polish onto the side, and this one is also by Heroine NYC, and it's called Silver Linings. And I did a super dry brush method there, so not much of the polish actually even made it to the nail, but it gives just enough. Now I'm going to go in with the Orly short detailer brush that you guys heard me mention a ton last month, and I'm just going to put in some little clusters of oblong shape dots, and I'm using just white acrylic paint for this. I'm putting about 3 shapes per little cluster, and I really like how this looked. It evened out the overall nail, and of course you could place this however you want to kind of balance the whole design out. But after that was done, I finished off with a shiny top coat today, and today I am using the Glisten and Glow top coat, and I'm just going to do that, let it dry, and then we will have the officially full done manicure, which I really liked and enjoyed for New Year's Eve. So that was the first tutorial of 2020. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If one of your goals is to start doing more nail art this year, you can check out the Nail Art Basics series, which I have, that will help you get a good start in the new year. And if you have any nail art questions or anything like that, feel free to let me know, because I want to add more videos to the Nail Art Basics series in this new year. So a lot of fun things are coming, which actually takes me to the next bit. So here's a little bit of a behind the scenes clip of how I created the animation for the beginning of this video, because this is one of my personal goals for the year. I wanted to put more hand detail into the videos where we've got cute little animations and graphics and such. So I wanted to feature this as a little bonus for this video. So that is officially it. I hope you guys enjoy this bonus. If you want to see more things like this, let me know, and we will definitely try to work that in this year. But thank you so much for watching. I hope your 2020 is off to a great start, and I can't wait to make all these videos for you this year. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!